Nomen omen, like the label says it all, like this is the Lake Garda, and that looks like a sail to me. I'm sailing on Lake Garda. Can't find out what I'm drinking though. And that's what it is. Like as I cracked open this bottle, I felt immediately, I saw immediately this beautiful sailboat. They actually have some older sailboat there on the lake. Just get on the boat. Peschiera del Garda, Sirmione, Desenzano, Lonato. These are all beautiful towns, guys. They're so beautiful, like a Roman fortress, a Roman castle on a lake. How can you go wrong? There is also Pozzolengo that is a bit more inland, but right now let's focus on the lake. So there's some beautiful little boats right there and sailboats. You just get going, and what you need is exactly this wine. Should you be drinking a Lugana on the Lake Garda, that's gonna be one of the greatest experiences you're gonna have. This is a Lugana Superiore, by the way, which has to age for a minimum of 1 year in the cellar. So like the Lugana Annata is produced and released straight away after a few months, a minimum of a year of aging. What does it change? Well, the difference is gonna be related to more intense minerality. Not necessarily the oak spices, because a lot of these wines are still produced without any oak, so very fresh, refreshing, like with beautiful almonds flowers, citrus fruit, but also that kind of like peat and gunflint element. Some apple, some tangerine, always wonderful acidity. And a great creaminess, just a touch of creaminess. Something that I would like to mention, if you want to learn more about Lugana, there's the video about the Lugana DOC. Here in the Superiore, right now I'm perceiving the soil of Lugana, which is what used to be an old glacier. So like all the ice of the mountain just melted down, bringing the finer soil all the way down to the bottom of the lake. So very fine soil, sometimes with a little bit of clay or a little bit of sand. So it depends where the grapes are. And then the Turbiana variety is gonna change into more of an austere style or into more generous style. The great thing though is that these wines have got also an incredible aging potential, particularly the Superiore style. So get on the sailboat and cheers with some Lugana Superiore. Man, I wouldn't talk about this wine if I didn't like it. I always loved Turbiana, always. Easy, but also complex. Have you watched our next video yet? Well, if you haven't done it, go for it right now. And for more tips, tricks, and of course, love, you gotta follow our channels and subscribe our social media. It's the opposite. Follow our social media and subscribe our channel.